The fourth wave of COVID-19 in Jamaica may be a lot closer after a UK national who recently visited the island tested positive for the Omicron variant on their return to Britain. But Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says while the Omicron is a cause for concern, the country should not panic. Jamaica Maitland has our report.
We have been advised through the United Kingdom's international health regulation system that a traveler from Jamaica has returned a positive test result for COVID-19, and the genomic sequences has confirmed the Omicron as the variant for this particular result.
The inevitable declaration by Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton that the new COVID-19 strain, Omicron, has been detected in Jamaica. It was found in a UK national who recently returned home to the UK after a brief vacation in a Jamaican resort. The Ministry of Health says following the discovery, it has concluded that 1. The visitor may have been infected by someone while on the island, or 2. The visitor may have infected others through interactions. The World Health Organization says the Omicron variant is highly transmissible, and although not as deadly as Delta, health experts say it could overwhelm healthcare systems. National epidemiologist Dr. Karen Webster-Carr says if the Omicron variant spreads during the Christmas, Jamaica could see up to 1,500 cases and hospitalizations of 2,000 people in the new year. Jamaica's public hospitals have 1,200 available beds for COVID patients.
By mid-January, we could see on a daily basis over 1,500 cases. If it is that we are where we at 1 static until Christmas Day, and then things start to increase, then we could see almost 600 person per day in January. And if we are at 0.9 now, decreasing a little bit, then we could be just over 500 per day come mid-January.
The medical expert says a fourth wave is looming. However, the impact depends on how well Jamaicans adhere to the COVID-19 guidelines in the height of the festive season with relaxed measures. As citizens gear up for one of the busiest shopping days, Christmas Eve, family events, and other activities, the Ministry of Health is urging the public not to disregard the protocols. Dr. Tufton revealed that the ministry is extending the contracts of medical professionals and sourcing more beds as it braces for the fourth wave. He's also urging the public to get vaccinated.
We are reviewing our PPE requirement so that equipment and other things can be purchased and in stock. We are pushing on vaccines, and this is a special appeal again to Jamaicans to take advantage of the vaccination that is available. We have more than enough vaccines.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.